Hi guys, today we're going to take a look at the Orchid Master connector system that's used for driver and woods. So what I have here today is I have bonded driver such as the Wishon 595. It has a titanium Orchid connector that has been inserted and epoxy into the hosel. So the hosel adapter needs to be rimmed with the special rim before installation of the hosel adapter. But as you can see here, it's a very secure adapter once it's inserted, and it can handle up to about 125 mph combat speed pretty easily. Next up we have is a tailor-made driver that has the Orchid Master adjustable hosel. It works the same as the tailor-made hosel adapters that comes with the driver. Okay, so you can wrench it off using the wrench, and we'll take a look. And what you'll be able to see is that you're able to adjust the loft or face angle right up and down. Okay, and this is the same with the Orchid connector that comes for other manufacturers as well. So for example, Payne, Tylers, Callaway, and Cobra. How does this connector work is that once the hosel connector is secured, you can take a shaft that has been installed in epoxy with the Orchid shaft adapter that works for this system, and now insert the shaft into the hosel adapter, making sure that the little slot is facing the back side of the adapter. Okay, so you turn down the nut, secure it with one of the wrenches. I'm using the wrench that works for fast fit connectors here. Okay, you can use the ones that comes from Topgolf. I just prefer this because it's made of aluminum, a little bit softer, so less chance of scratching up. Okay, now let's take a look at hitting a couple shots with this connector system and see how well it handles. So you can see my club speed here is usually around 110 to 115. Ball speed is high 150s, and when I'm feeling good, I can get it up to 160. And the connector system has held up really well. We've done fittings for people who are swinging up to about 125 mph and with ball speed up to 185. And the system has handled those swing speeds pretty well without too much issue. The only issue that you may run into is when, say, someone is keep on hitting the toe or keep on hitting on the heel, that's going to put a little bit of torque on the nut that might loosen up the nut, and that you need to make sure that you check the connectors and tighten them up again, and they're good to go.